many people all the time reminded me about the Stadia and how they were not complete. We now have the opportunity to prove the metal that we are made of by making sure that we complete all the Stadia. That is why I asked CS Sababu to have a master plan on not just completing what we have, but also making sure that we expand opportunities to other areas. And not just that, making sure that all the Stadia that we built meet international standards and can be accredited for any international sport. We are at this moment upgrading the Moi International Sports Center, Kasarani, Nyayo National Stadium, and the Kipchoge Keino Stadium in Eldoret. These works will boost our bid to co-host the 2027 Africa Cup of Nations with Tanzania and Uganda. The ministry is also charged with the crucial mandate of youth development as indicated in the Executive Order number 1 of 9th January 2023. This morning, a few hours ago, I signed into law the Climate Summit and the Climate Council, and that mainstreams the participation of youth in the challenge of climate change. And I expect the ministry responsible for youth to give us the young people who will drive the opportunities that exist even as we tackle the challenge of climate change. Today, 30% of Kenya's population is between the age of 18 and 35. We must invest in these young people to bring the best out of them so that their dynamism, capacity for innovation and talent can contribute to the transformation of our nation and can open up many opportunities for them to participate in the development of our country.